Need is the root cause of invention. Alhad Kendre, a young entrepreneur who always believed in this thought, founded a company, Stallion Innovative Machines, that always worked towards new inventions that would help manufacturers to ease their manufacturing process with the help of automation. Today, we are proud to announce that we have 4 state-of-the-art machines invented by us and are successfully installed all over India with all truly satisfied customers. Stallion Innovative Machines, along with our R&D team, which is always engaged in new inventions, is proud to present our latest invention, Samrat. This machine is specially designed keeping in mind the requirement of easing the production process and also reducing the labor cost for small, medium and large-scale manufacturers. This is a fully automatic machine. When mounted a slit roll of binding cloth tape of required width, Samrat can cut the tape as per digitally programmed length with the tolerance of 1 mm. After cutting, the tape is forwarded to a gluing station where it is glued from the bottom. Then the tape is carried on a conveyor from where it can be picked up manually and pasted on the required surface. As you can see, there are many advantages of this wonder machine. The machine is completely automatic after the initial setup. This saves the cost of 5 laborers for cutting the tape into pieces from a big binding cloth roll. Moreover, it reduces the cost of 1 more labor that is required for gluing. The machine runs at a very high speed, that is 486 meters per hour, which includes cutting and gluing together. No separate time is consumed for these 2 operations as the process is inline. For example, you can get 32 tapes of 10 inches per minute accurately cut and glued. Wastage of the binding cloth is reduced to 0%. Huge space required for manual cutting and gluing is reduced to 2.5 feet by 1.5 feet by 4 feet of the size of Samrat. The machine can be easily carried at any place by the wheels mounted on its base. Power consumption for Samrat is just 1/8 HP single phase. That means when run for 11 hours, the machine will consume only 1 unit power. The programming for the required length is digital. Hence, there is no room for mistakes in the size. Micro and macro quantities are possible with the Samrat without any hassles with least material handling. Lowest grade of adhesive is also welcome in Samrat. The manual speed of pasting the tape on a box, notebook or a file is controlled with the help of automation as the labor has to work according to the machine speed. Hence, idle time is eliminated. The free labor gained because of the automation achieved by Samrat can be utilized for various other worthwhile operations and increase the production capacity. Samrat is guaranteed for 6 months. Having such a masterpiece in your factory will certainly appreciate your pride. We will be delighted to offer best offer services possible for the rest of your life. We are looking towards a long-time relationship with each of our customers because we do not treat our customers as our customers. We get into their role and design our machines. We are confident on our machines, so will you be. Your appreciation or a pat means us a lot. Thank you. Stallion Samrat, a step towards automation.